Kanot Liberty Higher Secondary School Jumai, Kalapau Biang Hak Result, Meghalaya Board of School Education MBOSE, Jongka Examine Secondary School Leaving Certificate SSLC, Balapan Bana Haka Hinyo Tarik Yayong. Haka ni kakinti, Kanot Liberty Higher Secondary School, kelas say arngot ki khynnah, kentup ka Weimaya nong tudu lakyang, kabalawan haka kerdan kabapra, Jongka tup top 20, batu aran dhar, haka kerdan katra. Habayok lat penyekran bat kini ki khynnah, ningkong ki penpau ka jingkman ka bakrau, ringkat ka jing aingo ya oblay. Kila penpau ru ka jing snokman, hadin ka jing treshitam ka jongki, kila yok ya usok batiang. Halor ka jing penkre ya ka exam, u aran dhar ulaong, wa shumla penkre baro shisnam, henry ka ba ukam treshitam bha ka de lai bna shwa ka exam. Lada krek kot tang shikenta haka shisngi ru kala biang hi, Henry Shong haka jing sngotu baka jing penlek jingmen, laong u aran dhar, bat aimen siem ru iki weipat ki khynnah ban penlek jingmen haba krek kot, namar yala diru upen krek ek exam dakaba penlek jingmen bha, haba pulekan.
Bora em lang bro sistem no ado upa ni katang then nangkong chwa yo result te emi te uta bora mo ang crash tam sistem te em be say te bo boy kat we blai se một yo yo bhai significantly speaking this achievement of mine reflect ko your hard work untuk do yang tang yang goro gi nai ke gi especially principal kate yang goro gi kui rap ya rap nga goro sistem te kamte ik blay gi we pa we mo di family ya te nai ke yi lok ro ki wa support ben ngai pat em ambe ku feel ko try ki wa em lang dok nga kre nga le yang sistem de kamte một raman consistent up ta leye dang kre dang chicken ta singi da again te in the last 3 months before the examination te come to the focus the concentrate phase the all year te mo te ombe rap enjoy like life yang last year in class 10 te come to se mo we enjoy we record lang se mo ya penlai parah ke te in a how we not say like every day at least tang chiganta like of pure concentration and understanding te pna yi mana top pi pana questions pna yi pna demi the concept yi pi top antes mo kat o ya alti bulai se dang kata the embassy wa other boy ngi tip hadin kan snem ode kala ubla ko ngare vin no te dang kata chini obla se te nangkong duk there. The first message ko EP there. If you do anything, give it your 100%. The mudur step test le. Give it your all there. Ham le de 10% le tele bet ki krebet kadang embor pi there. Ne besa. The second lo in the process of your becoming in whatever you want, remember to be proud of yourself, love yourself, and keep your loved ones around yourself. Your hobbies I like running. Jo ngamte nado le sos nem like mo ngi bet no record bet nga kam like my stress relief is like running. Kate nga interest ba in computer and technology and all this machine learning and artificial intelligence like anything digitally I like to mainly sports running and hiking and going up
tajuk cimenta pergi sport
score man because come like different distances no tadi the memory that compete score I run like remember you compete run it for myself run your nangkong le like constrict and kadu ya gino case một lon gi kadu betai le một try siang to try grab that concept and and all. Modul homework I try to do on my own with an explanation. Modul siang tu I do use the internet for like extra explanation and for better understanding. Subjects yang social because it's really vast and like syllabus yang vast. I say like you need to model siang tu but there are details that you have to kamu bisa like the dates, the history, the past, the year, it is
Kawai maya nong tudu lakyang kalau ong na do pas dang jong snam ka don nya ka thong ban poi shakman. Kalau ong bakam shim la penut por de ki bon kinta ban pule kan Henry ka pen million ban pule man kasngi. Bat bakam shim la klet ru ban yarap hayeng hasam ban pendap ikam ki bakas ngo tenat ban trei. Kawai maya nong tudu lakyang ka dei ru ka khynnah ilek kai bat ka jumi kman i ka West Giant Hills District ha ka lumpung ilek kai state subroto kam. Baro arngot ki penpa baka social science ka deka subject ka baki shimjing bha namar baka deka subject ka bayar ka badan sau benta kenthop ka economics, geography, history but civics nalor baka dan arpo talik lenang.
Belajar ya belai de ambil chui beda ni ya ai result ko bhala beda ira belai na chau pa ai result la de dua ya ma da ambil dia minta yul ti de kuat hi ya ite te de dua ya belai te mana dapat la te de yo sekiat beda sekiat wi kuat te ik belajar ya te wa ala ik belajar principal yang i de encourage bagi ulai kadu menda down da modul feel down ni la de encourage bagi da push bagi itu ke full potential yang ima te kamjo yagi no hikai when we score kiwa de hikai yang nado kelas tani tak semangan dok kelas tani tak de hikai lai ini te ik boleh yagi no hikai nado tani tak sado kelas 10 hi ki wada share ye knowledge yang ki yang wada yarap yang overall ki liang mau overall ki subjects da de yarap ki da yegi de egi full mut ki de egi ga kamu de egi ga overall kan di haki de elut ki da telut ki ding start yang ki overall te ik boleh yegi no hikai la kamjo yegi bagi pa yang ki wada sport yang wada emlang ba chiru nga by my side ki de emlang ba ki nga nado dang khiana na the what igi lock hara ale kile manda feel down encouragement na ki ndo de dang snam de ku ai au ang be de ku ai au po chakmat ang de try open crack kat wi ya roi bor yang kat de try open crack kat wi ya po te ka thong go de ku ana de ang be de expect hi aga ya tang wo no da expect hado kat te ma tin ya disappointed te tang wa kat te le man de kut te di po de ya ai te ka thong ku a te jing pun crack yang ngawan man iba ang be crack hi aste kat wi ya wala ada crack ba ya nang te kat wi mi por wi ya crack tang wa kat te le mem ang wo ai ai wi le ai kam chwi le extracurricular le dang le ya tang wa ga kot le dang ka kat wi ya sa kam tu mundur he por man skor te mot po yu nga te di cha cha nang te resi a chbe por le ai sia kwa te ne te crack kot na do por ban ja te deb ja le emi por crack te em ki por ngi singi em crack te ka te le chong ngi singi te man de chwa exam le am be de crack kot hi singi hi kam te tang wa deb ja de di cha kam te resi chbe por le hab resi em kam hi ga resi na if em kam do wan ta u man consistent ai sa throughout the year the ye pi man consistent throughout the year te ye be pi yo ye kwa pi ka du em le ngu kot nga ong be extra curriculars le nya bang ha gi le man em interest ha de no dang khiana upaya nga de jo ya le football nga sa te school le de jo le suburto ya te ga ball ga wi ga man ga side hobby nga de rap ko nga de jingmen go nga ma te le nang football le nga sia bang au than ra te ga te le man ga kam prin relax ga brain yang am le de record man kan em le te ye le ye te ra la sa te haskur le bon gi extracurricular jo participate ya kam gi exhibition te bon gi jadi jo le haskur sa or le bol yang haskur hasburto te men job isa hajwai te men job in dwai hajwai te lai yo yo lai represent ya ga Western Hills le aga state level Shillong football hado class 8 de le aga haskur sa mot man na do dang khian hi le football la tang wa young school hado class 8 de le to wa de kwa concentrate haga studies ma tang kat te le mem ong wa dam aga fully mende yo pora mende kam tu weekends dan la le bol hi te kam ni dep exam le dang kam ni mende chong hayung de la ya sa te mem ong wa dam hi wa daga tang wa mende class 8 mem de le young school to wa ong bet class 9 class 10 de em kam hi ma yo focus haga studies ra yo ye hi le ba le tang kat te le mem i aga sa continue bo le ka kam ga side hobby subject te ka was now changing it te ga social ma i vi le to wa man vas ha ga nong bon ha ga te ong be art pau chapters to ve so topic nong economics history geography wa ga civics nong the man so topics ha ga vi ga subject to wo he wo was nong the man sija hi se prepare way for exam le yo iga kam one day ga ba ma te yo le de kan le kre wat ka chis nam le ma yo revise ye te ro i wa kre pi man rap changing e se te social te rap changing e ga cho te dang per khat mut yo hi ma de ka science hi tang wa dep nei te yo pa jan ma dang bon gila ki lu gi em te kat ka lat ka wa nga bu dau bla nga te de ka te du chi ma se dau pa ji khmat kar em te kat te cho him cho de ka science ya ga 11 12 te lai dia hai ni tang ka te la ko mu ba ga ni score ga wa de nga right foundation yang tang 11 12 te lai na cha chenai sa
first and foremost, I give all the glory to God that yet again our school has been able to perform well in the SSLC exam this year, and we know that all things work for the good of those who love Him, and I'm very sure that the school and our students, they all love God, and God has created this space for them to celebrate the success of their hard work. As we were waiting for the results to come today, we were all kind of nervous. Students, teachers, in fact the principal as well, because this year has been a year where the question pattern has been changed a little from what it was in the past. However, we are very glad that in spite of that, the children have been able to adapt to the new system of, or the new pattern of questioning. And I hope that in the years to come, they'll be well versed and very much aware of the new system of evaluation, new pattern of question papers, which is slowly being brought in line with the Central Board of School Education. So this year we had a total of 113 students. In fact, after the students had finished their, I won't say selection, because we don't select students, we send all our students to appear for their exams. I would like to say maybe their annual exam or their pre-board exam. Then when all the students entered their exam forms, we found out that the number was 113 students. So some teachers had their reservations about the number 13. But however, we believe that when the children work hard, numbers don't matter. All our 113 students cleared their exams, and the happiness that I get is to know that our sports students who went and represented the state of Meghalaya in Delhi, they had missed a lot of classes this year, but none of them failed, they all passed. So I would like to give God all the glory, thank all the teachers, and in fact I would like to speak in our local language, Penar. Ingo yu blai tregenra. Udem rekat ugini skur. Udem rekat wi kena skur. We ngasnia ugini skur man go kamu man go. Ni bahat emi ginong hikai. Kiu krek stom. Mem ta du krek stom gi. Kiu mayale igini skur. Te ni bahat wa krek stom wi maya igini skur. Yo ig result kumiat na isnam sikisnam. Te kini klimat result isnam man go kumiat. Yo ar ngut ki khynnah di upoi ke top 20 position. Ke 8th position ke Wei Maya Nong Tru Lekiang. The yo ke 8th position. We dap ada isnyau kemen. Wa derak go ke burom. Entok du ye ke skur ne ke yung yang ka. We ke chnong jwai ke ni. Wei Maya dam snyau per ko khnai bi. Ado chong last 8 go tok ke football player. Ka the represent go ye not liberty ke sebruto cup state level. Tahdir no kelas 8 temem di level go. Tahu uknai pi ke sports le ye rap ko. Open clan ni ke jebin yang kena. Tas yang kemen go win ni football players yang ke not liberty team. Boy ga hadu yo ke top 10 position, ada 8th position yang ke board exam yang newsnem. So siap komen, ada 18th position. We have none other than Aaron Dahar. Aaron Dahar to kena skul le kam gue maya ku em kini skul na do dang kian ni. Pernah to do dang kian. We ke wara cu ke jing kemen nga to Aaron Dahar to kon yang gue no hikai yang kini skul. Ke Madam Anu Dahar te apply sekiat kerku ya ke family yang Madam Anu no hikai yang di skur we ngangai scam wa we borong wa ran ke skur we ge yung yang mom ta do ni we cekmat dangbon ki por ki ora borong we ge yung sem we ge skur yang ni snem lagi cispa kan legut ki kena nyau pau kan dingut ki kena one ge first division, which is very good. I always mention that a normal school is a school that have students performing at the top, students performing in the middle, and should not miss out the ones who are below. But the joy that we get is that we pull everyone together. Itu rap klan le etan langgi go telok. It's not a normal school. A normal school should have different colors of a garden. When we have a garden, we have different flowers. So the beauty of the garden is not having the same color of flowers, but having different colors. And I'm so glad that North Liberty this year, of course, we have more of the first division color. We have 79 out of 113. But however, we also have 32 second divisioners, and not to forget we have 2 third divisioners. So this is a very good and very colorful result which we can't ask. It was given to us by God the Father. And in English we have 38 distinctions in English. In maths we have 31 distinctions. In science we have 35 distinctions. In social science we have 10 distinctions. Health education and computers combined, we have 47 distinctions. Additional English and Khasi combined, we have 45 distinctions. What more to ask? If you take an average, every student gets a distinction. In fact, if we take the average, every student gets a little more than 1 distinction in this exam. Bringing more joy and happiness to us is our students also managed to get the highest marks in some of the subjects of their exams. In maths, Wei Maya got the highest mark in the whole of Meghalaya. In science, Arandhar got the highest in the whole of Meghalaya. And in health education, we have 3 students who got the highest mark in the state of Meghalaya. That is Rihanna, Teresa Suna, Safina Sari, and Wei Maya Nongtudu Lekiang. So, to cut a long story short, this was such a wonderful exam, wonderful result. We can't ask for more. Thank you, Lord, for your blessings upon us. Once again, I take this privilege to thank every teacher of the school, every staff, non-teaching staff of the school, every driver, every handyman, every janitor of the school. It is a collective work. The team has delivered, and I believe that this will motivate our juniors to perform well in the coming year. So I pray to God that God be with this school, guide us, and may at all times remember that God is always with us when we are close to Him. So my prayer is that may God be with this school, may God guide this school, and may humility be in the hearts of the teachers, the principal, and the governing body, remembering that we can do all things through Christ who strengthens us. So with these few words, I thank the media who are always there. Every year I get to meet you, and I pray to God that as long as I'm still the principal, I wish to meet you every year for the rest of my life. Thank you, Kublai Sibon, Chia Jarmo, and Mithala to my friends in Garo Hills.